results now. So we'll do our official introductions. We'll let our work crew finish up. We'll ask all other axemen to clear the arena. So this will be the final, the second division 275mm handicap tree felling contest. 275 mils is the diameter of the block up on top, 11 inches in the old scale. At position 8 from Yarrowitch, New South Wales, will be Mitchell Scrivener on 3 seconds. At position 7 from Yarrowitch, Austin Scrivener on 3 seconds. At position 6 from Franklin, Tasmania, will be Will Lovell on 3 seconds. At position 5, Wamuran, Queensland, Kerry Hewitt starting on 3 seconds. At position 4 from Minnesota, USA, Ben Whelan will start on 6 seconds. At position 3 from Tamworth, New South Wales, Daniel Kissel will start on 12 seconds. At position 2 from Zeehan, Tasmania, will be Riley Sheehan starting from 14 seconds. Now back mark for this man at 3-1 from Burwood, New South Wales, will be Lachlan Price. Lachlan will start on 28 seconds. This is the final. We'll have the whistle to officially clear the ring.
Competitors, stand yours. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
as a little group in the setting up one from that we've got Riley Sheehan in the Tasmania, then Lachlan Price. All of them now are up into the top of the tree. Can we make them welcome, ladies and gentlemen? Come on, can you make some noise out there? Have a look at this for a bit of competition. Now they dismount as you have a look on the look of Kerry Hewitt on tree number 5. He just came straight down like he was sprinting as a 16-year-old. Still going as we go up to Austin Scrivener on tree number 7. He's going to try and punch that big run, and then he will dismount. All these boys take a board with them. Have a look at number 1 at a handicap at 28. Lachlan Price for Burwood. He's with what's number 1 hot as he hits the scarf. 2. See how many they take. 3. All the little time. 4. 5. They want to do a good 6. Might go to 7, make sure he doesn't, then he throws the axe, grab a board, sets the board in a little metal tongue is also, he's got to get the level, time is everything. Then he takes the board with him, springs up right beside him from Tasmania, Riley Sheehan. He throws the axe as he starts to make his run for home into the top of the tree. Up from there, there's got Daniel Kissel, tree number 3, as he springs up. Have a look at the board. They hold their body weight, all of that metal tongue. This is good tree work, ladies and gentlemen. They'll try and bring it home to you with an international Minnesota, USA. Have a look at this to the back mark of 28 with Lachlan Price and Carl Rondi. We'll just see how we go here. He certainly closed the gap, but not to be forgotten is Kerry Hewitt, number 5. He's a veteran as well, and he's got to be at the back of the top of that tree. Now it's just about anybody's go. Is it going to be number 3 with Daniel Kissel? Is it going to be number 1? He's driving down number 8 with Mitchell Scrivener. He's no doubt either. Come on, give it a 1. Here we go. Keep watching, any moments away. He's going to be the mark of 28, the block. Down number 3, there might be down the Kissel there. Now after that, will it be number 2 or will it be number 4? Or will it be a veteran down there on number 5? Or will it be the boys on 6 and 7? Or Will Lovell from Tasmania on number 6? They're getting the axe out. Just keep your eye on these fellas, ladies and gentlemen. Number 1 complete. Number 3 is complete. Next we've got to watch. Now down if you have a look on our number 8, young Mitchell Scrivener is looks like coming 3rd. He's done pretty well, this young fella. He's had a great show as well. They grab the axe as these boys make the rest of the field happen. Number 7, number 6, number 5, our veteran, or number 4 from over in the US from Valley. Let's see how we go. How about that for our veteran Kerry Hewitt on tree number 5. Let's bring home number 2 as well, Riley Sheehan. And not to be forgotten, down on number 4, we've got Ben Whelan out of Minnesota over in the US of A. Let's also congratulate for the effort they're putting forward. Number 6, Will Lovell of Tasmania. And also we've got young Austin Scrivener down there. Oh, that was well done for both those. And for the top end of our tree, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring home number 2 and number 4. Number 2 being Riley Sheehan out of Tasmania, number 5 Ben Whelan from Minnesota in the US of A. Now, as we just keep all eyes, this is a complete package. Number 4, and as we always like to do for the final one, it's always exciting, but let you know that you're all alive and everybody else, and thank all of them for the effort. Come on, hip hip!
Congratulations to Lachlan Bryce first, secondly Daniel Clissold, thirdly Mitchell Scribner, and fourthly to Kerry Hewitt. Fellas, if you make your way down please. And again we would like to thank the young lady that's come to do a mighty job, Jill Slee, granddaughter of the Axeman Lees, as we've had a Memorial Day for him. So Jill, thank you for being with us and waiting. You'll be able to, those here can gather around photo opportunities. Now the boys are coming up. They've had a mighty time in that tree. Thank you, fellas. And as they lean forward now, you can put your hands, those that are watching. Lachlan Bryce, congratulations. Secondly, Daniel Clissold from Tamworth, good on you as she leans forward, steps forward, and the fellas go on to number 3 there. Young Mitchell Scribner, well done. And Kerry Hewitt. Nice to have Kerry with us from Queensland, a real gentleman of the sport. Final time, ladies and gentlemen, we say to all of you, go careful, enjoy your evening, and come and join us tomorrow from 9 as we do it all over again. And we have another opportunity to see